Canadian Lakes Loon Survey is a citizen science bird monitoring program. People volunteer to make observations of loons and particularly how many chicks they produce, and they report it back to us, and we use that to monitor how healthy loon populations are. You can engage so many volunteers, so you can monitor so many more lakes than you ever could with paid staff. The big thing that the Canadian Lakes Loon Survey is telling us in the way of results is that they're producing fewer chicks over time. And we know if they're producing fewer chicks, it really tells us that there's some kind of problem in the system. Whatever the problem is, and we don't really know yet, but whatever that problem is, it not only affects loons, but it's probably going to affect us too. We're right on the doorstep of them producing so few chicks that their populations are going to start to decline. Then we're going to start to see fewer and fewer nesting pairs out there, fewer adults. And I think that's going to hurt us as Canadians, I think, because we really identify with loons as being part of Canada. And we're going to sort of almost lose a part of us, I think, if that happens.